How to do rear deltoid workout in effective ways. There are various factors involved in doing exercise for muscles. Because the upper body parts are rare in movements, mostly you use legs, waist, back, and hands. That is why doing specific workout is necessary. Deltoid work is one of them. However, most people do not become aware of this concept. What are deltoids? Deltoids are the back part of the shoulder muscles. It originated on the spines, shoulder blades. In simple words, these are the upper arms, bones, sides. Those parts are closely linked with the shoulders. Why? It is important. Usually, deltoids get their strength from other workout. But to make deltoids active, sharp, and strong, working out is essential. Suppose you heard about freeze words. Then surely you know the actual reason for the deltoids workout? By bearing the pressure for a long time and staying in the same position daily. How to do rear deltoid workout in effective ways. Deltoid works out can be done with devices and without devices. It is on the person. Here are some of the effective ways. Bend over. This trick will help you to get solid shoulders and deltoids. It requires time, so get free from your work early and grab the equipment to start the workout. The things you must have are a dumbbell and a bench. Lateral raise. This workout type is done by standing and bending positions. It would be best if you tried it with light weight, because for the first time, doing it can give you cramps, pull, and other things. So, do not hesitate. Instead, start with a lower weight. The cable machine. Devices have done this workout type. These moves are an excellent way to mix with a shoulder workout. Changing the muscle angles can give you an actual target. A device with cable or ropes requires the best way to gain strength. Rear deltoid machine. This is the actual machine you can find at the gym. It makes the struggle easy. And you can get separate workout for shoulders and deltoids in a challenging way. The pull-ups. It is the most effective exercise. Most people ignore it. It works not only for deltoids, but is also practical for the neck, lower back, and waist. For more information, visit the links in description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.